Hey, good morning everybody. I'll be in the Shearwater today. Jeremy's going to take out the John boat. This is the only day we have to fish this week, so hopefully we get enough footage to make a video. Let's go. Alright, it's a pretty calm morning out here. Not a lot of waves. It looks like the river's pretty flat too, so we're gonna go across the river, up a little bit and into the creeks in the back, fish around there, come back across the river, fish the docks, and down along the bank. There's actually a lot more water back here than usual. Usually we come in, it's a lot lower. As you can see, it's really calm out here today. Just a short little paddle across the river to the opening of these creeks. We like to fish back here for the majority of the time. It's where we've caught the most bass. We'll also fish docks on the other side and go all the way down the bank later on. But we like to pretty much start right here at the mouth and work our way back. So let's get to fishing. Alright, we've had the most luck on like white zoom trick worms. Today, off a recommendation from one of my buddies, I'm actually going to be using these little flukes. I've got white and then like a watermelon red color.
Those are darker, right?
These are darker, yeah. But just like a jerk bait, you just want to let it sit in the water, sink down just a little bit, and then you just jerk it through the water, let it do its own thing. It's supposed to mimic shad, which is some of the bait fish that we have around here. What about you?
I'm going to go with a June bug U-tail zoom worm.
Alright, dude.
And we'll see. I want to use a white worm, obviously, but
right. I've never caught anything on U-tail.
That's not the play today because it's not a cloud in the sky.
I've got some U-tails as well. So the good news is like we're bros. So if we figure out a pattern, if they're biting one of our baits, like we share each other's stuff. So let's just figure out what they want to eat today.
All right, let's do it.
What if I think right there? I don't know if this is going to pick up, but straight ahead of me is one of the biggest gator heads I've ever seen, like in person. I'm going to go ahead and slow down. I think so, bro. They started filming Jurassic Park. I think they let them out. Can you see this giant gator right here? Huh? Dude, he's huge. I don't know if that's on camera. I mean, normally I would just paddle over there and try to get my lure back instead of snatching it like that. But there's a bird in the tree and it took a big old dump. And I can't think of a worse thing to happen this morning than get pooped on by a bird, so I'm glad my lure just came out like that.
All right, guys, we're on the way to talk to TJ, and I think he caught a fish. Yeah, he's got a fish on the line. Let's see what he was using. He's down here in this little cove here. he's almost got it in the net. Oh, he's got it in the net. All right, let's watch TJ as he takes this jackfish off.
This little guy's got teeth.
What'd you catch it on?
Little fluke.
Looked like he put up a good fight.
Yeah, he did. Little buddy. Little jackfish. Get him back in the water. He's bleeding a little bit.
And there you have it, y'all. That's how you catch a jackfish.
He's gonna make it.
Meanwhile, I ain't even got a bite. So.
You
didn't get a bite?
So I switched to white because it's my confidence color.
Yeah.
And they've been kind of schooling around here. Like you've been seeing the bass like chasing little bait fish. So I've just been throwing kind of at this grass and like in the shade and stuff. And
Is that your first fish?
that's my first fish of the day.
Have you got a bite?
Yeah, a couple. I think like a jackfish is like a pike, right?
It looked like a pike.
I think a jackfish to us is a pike to like northerners, but yeah, first fish of the day. Fist bump.
TJ got a pike or a jackfish. I think I've always called those pikes.
I have two, but then Mike called it a jackfish, and then those guys on the bass boat that one day called them a jackfish. So. The little pike though was fun. He put up a good fight.
Yeah, I know. I was actually just like driving over there to like talk to you, and I saw you like fighting. Like, oh Lord.
I think I've got like 12-pound monofilament on this reel, so.
This is where I need a foot pedal.
That's gonna do it for the fishing today. All we caught was a little pike. There's like some bass swimming around right here by the ramp that we put in at, but they are all itty bitty. We're gonna call it a day. Hopefully we got enough footage for a video. If not, I'll add some more stuff to it. See ya.